So we are here in Pasay City, Metro Manila, and we are about to check the newest museum here in Pasay near Mall of Asia called the Galleon, Museo de Galleon. So finally nag-open na siya after almost 10 years of development. Ito yung outdoor. Museo del Gallo. Gallo.
Ay, ma'am.
Ay,
Ito kayong pinikain dumiretso dun.
okay. Pwede na dumiretso pag may ticket. Okay, thank you. Muna ka. You first. Thank you. Tada. 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 May we be reminded that looking to the past is essential to preparing for the future. That the oceans are what unite us and could bring us close together, even if we are literally oceans apart from each other. Senator Edgardo. Ito naman. The Museo del Galleon stands as a beacon of discovery, illuminating the Philippines' maritime heritage and the enduring spirit of exploration that binds nations across oceans and centuries. Ambassador Carlos, Chairman of Museo del Galleon. Ito siya. Oh. So, ito yung scale model ng structure ng galleon. So, if I recalled, the initial construction of Museo del Galleon started around 2016. So, almost 10 years na. 2026 na ngayon eh. Wow! Oh, wow. Bro. Ang ganda. Bro. Life size talaga siya.
I love it. Gusto ko na pumasok sa loob, pwede daw pumasok.
So may direction siya. So after dito muna tayo sa mga boats. Laki na ng reclaimed island.
Ito yung guide. Nawala na yung bay.
Hindi na siya bay.
Oh, di na siya bay.
Uy,
Straight na
ayan
siya.
to.
Para siyang
Cool.
early form bangka. Para siyang canoe.
Boat. Butuan Canoe.
Canoe nga.
Canoe, no?
Canoe. Boat.
Grabe, imagine mo, ganyan yung gamit mo lang na pangtawid. Takes courage to cross the seas.
Ano?
Babag.
Bagot? Wow.
Ah.
Ito yung balang.
Oh, ito yung balangay.
Tama ba?
The
Balangay.
traditional balangay.
kang tumira.
Ginamit.
Ganda. If, eto pa yun. The PTC.
Flashbook.
Oh, sila may gawa.
Ah,
Nice.
oh. Chinese and other Asian goods. Jumping. Yuan cash coins. The solo connection in Dezhou. The Barangay Abort Society.
Anong indigenous? Kala ko indigenous. Nagkaroon ng
The Balangay.
Hindi siya din.
Ah, Turning to Manila. The Galleon Trade Maps. Ito yung mga source nila. Wow. Reduced map of the Philippine Islands. Wow. Samar, Kapol. Ay, ito yung between Northern Samar and Southern Luzon. Wow! So ito yung layout. This is the layout of the old Manila. Ito yung Intramuros. This is the Intramuros. Tapos ito yung Manila Bay. Then today's Roas Boulevard. Original siya. Copy rin, no? Copy siya from the archives. Ito Intramuros, Manila Square.
Plano de una porción de la
Plaza de
Manila
Manila.
y de nuestras las ondas.
Plan of the Port of Cavite. Oh, so this is the original map or the initial look of Cavite. Ano to? Map of the Port of Cavite. Marami rin palang nirenovate. Ay, di, nireclaim na part ng Cavite. Yung ibang part pala ng Cavite nireclaim din. Yung tsura ng ano, original na Cavite. There is not an Indio in these islands. He was not a remarkable inclination for the sea, nor is there a person all the world a people more agile. Magkakahoy. Ganda ng sculpt. Panahon na wala pang 3D printer.
Uy, hindi. Meron na. 2025.
Oo nga. Pero ito sculpt siya. Sculpture talaga siya. Magkumpare. Kumpare, oh. Asa si magkumare?
Si Kumari, mag-isa lang oh. Nagtitinda kasi ng isda. Itong isa, siguro busy na...
Jesus. Busy good. So pretty. Ito na. The start of religion. The religions of the order were the first to introduce the art of printing these islands. This is shown by the oldest in the editions which albeit rarer still exist. Layer. Ito parang original ata.
Hindi.
Copy din, ah.
Sabi nga, kung gusto mo makita yung malaman yung original boundaries ng mapa ng Pilipinas, original...
Punta ka sa Spain.
Punta ka sa Spain. Yung mapa, original titles, sa Spain.
Oo, nasa Spain. Kasi inuuwi yan noon tinatravel yon sa government ng Spain nung panahon na under pa ng Spain yung Pilipinas. So, syempre, yung main official processing nasa Spain.
Lahat ng lupa dito sa Pilipinas currently is fake titles. Kaya nga ang dami double title. May mga nagkiklaim na kanila, may nagkiklaim na kanila. Pero kung gusto mo malaman kung sino yung original talaga ng mga punta ka na.
Manila is the equal of any other foreign. Original ba siya? Uy, oo nga. Spices, the Filipino spices.
Galing din yung spices. Mga anong cloves?
Peppercorns, cloves.
Ayo.
Sa bahay-
Kuha ka na ng
sa bahay ko
paminta.
yan. Ang cool.
Safflower.
Smells good.
Mabango. Mabango pala siya.
Oh, ang bango. Wait nga lang, patray.
Ano yung Spanish niya? May buto-buto.
Ah, Spices. Stig. Ceramics.
China ware. China ware.
Kaya
Oh.
trade.
So, made in China. So, original ba siya? Hindi. Kasi made in China.
Textiles. A man can clothe his wife in Chinese silks for 200 rubles, whereas he could not provide her clothing of Spanish silks with 200 pesos. Ganda. Explosion came systematic scans and evangelized the Philippines, making it the economic outpost in Asia of the viscerality of New Spain. The arrival of Christianity in the Philippines. These vessels come laden with merchandise quantities of green fruit, oranges of all kinds. Pwede rin amuyin. Ano yun, no? Plastic siya. Hindi, plastic siya. Yung palang spelling ng original na mais. Mais. Maize. Was domesticated in America for thousands of years. So, hindi pala corn. So, aside sa corn, meron pa palang officially na title for corn. Mais.
Feeling ko ano to, lahat to is tawag ka, yung totoo.
Kakao.
Pero preserved.
Dried. Dried siya. Dried and preserved.
Hawakan mo, para siyang bato.
Or as in magaling lang talaga yung nag-ano. Scalp.
Magaling lang pa.
Okay. That care and attention which govern their boat building cause their ships to sail like birds while ours are like lead. Pero totoo it's true na mga Filipinos magaling sa mga pag-forge ng wood.
Totoo.
Tiyan mo yung bamboo pa lang, dami na nagagawa sa bamboo.
Maparaan ng Pilipino.
Okay, doon sa tayo sa second floor.
Ito, yung mga kanyan.
Mga kanyon pa.
Kaso, PVC.
Ito yung Galleon Hall. Ito yun. Ito siya. Hindi siya ba? Hindi siya yung steel. Man of steel. Pillars of exchange. Okay. Second floor.
Dito ata is yung ano. Hindi, fourth floor yan. Third floor is ito yun nasa bangko.
Ay, bawal na hawakan. Spaniards and Philippine shores. The second floor.
Before and after.
Umabot.
Umabot pala.
Umabot.
Pasensya na po. Rahahaha.
Baptized doon. So we are now about to arrive to the second level entry for the galleon ship. So nakahiwala yung entrance for the second and third level. Ha? Sabi ka hindi ka pala.
Wala susunod pa itong i-display pa nga.
Gravestone. Of the Marcus of Granite. Before you board, follow crew instructions at all times. Please wait your turn. Hold on to railings and walk carefully. Wow. Ang majestic ng entrance ah. So kahoy nga siya. So apparently kahoy nga, it's made with wood. Wow!
Uy,
Stig. Kahoy nga siya, kahoy.
kahoy.
Oh. Stig. Oh. The galleon. Then, this takes me back to the Spanish era. Guns and fresh air. The galleon was capable of hitting sea with cannons mounted on the gun. The galleon. What's this? Ito yung mga meals on board. Yung mga piniprepare noon ng mga crew. Ano yung tawag dito? I forgot. What's this called? Yung bread. Chickens. Biscuit. Bizocho. Bizocho nga. Yun, Hindi, bizcocho. Bizcocho pala. Bizcocho. Bizcocho siya. Nakatikim ako niya nun. Wow. next show begins at
After start,
what?
head to win. Head to win.
Galing.
Check mo yun na, kasi yung mapa, yung minimap.
Was the only other thing keeping them alive. On orders from the pilot, they would come, move up and down the ship's masts to adjust the sails. The deck was their world, their horizon.
Afternoon. Wow. Oh, learn the knots. Bowling clutch. Office quarters.
Ako mabilisan lang eh. Siguro mga ano lang yun. 4 bites. Pero nakakuha ko.
Ay, sorry. Office quarters.
Ako mabilisan lang eh. Siguro mga ano lang yun. 4 bites. Pero nakakuha ko.
Maliit yung ano.
Oh.
Mali tayo eh. We small. Pero yung buksan. Ang ganda oh.
Yung ano.
Galing.
Wow. Ah.
Bye-bye.
Yan na. Sakto pa dinner na. Ganda oh. Sa harap kaya anong tsura? Baka mas maganda sa harap. Yun. We're now done visiting Museo de Gallo. Bye! Till next time!